Feeling overwhelmed by the rapid pace of AI? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through 8 simple steps to keep up with artificial intelligence. From educating yourself to embracing AI creatively, we've got you covered. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world, and it's happening fast. But how can you keep up with this ever-changing technology? Follow these 8 practical steps, and you'll be on your way to becoming an AI-savvy individual. Let's get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your best friend. Dive into online resources, courses, and tutorials to understand AI's core concepts. Platforms like Coursera and YouTube are great places to start. Happy learning! Step 2. Engage with AI tools. Get hands-on with AI-powered tools and apps. Experimenting with voice assistants or AI photo editors will give you a real feel for how AI works. It's time to play and learn. Step 3. Follow AI news and trends. Stay in the know by following tech blogs, podcasts, and industry leaders. AI is always evolving, so keeping up with the latest news will help you stay ahead of the curve. Step 4. Join AI communities. Connect and collaborate by joining AI communities and forums. Engaging with others interested in AI can provide support, insights, and inspiration. You're not alone on this journey. Step 5. Explore AI in your career or studies. Consider how AI can enhance your career or studies. Look for internships, projects, or courses that align with your interests. AI offers endless opportunities, so seize them. Step 6. Understand ethical considerations. Be responsible with AI. Understanding ethics, like bias and privacy, is crucial. AI is powerful, but it must be used with care and awareness. Step 7. Embrace AI creatively. Unleash your creativity with AI. Explore AI-powered creative platforms for art, music, or writing. Let your imagination soar. Step 8. Prepare for the future of AI. AI is here to stay, so be ready to grow with it. Consider how AI might impact your future and embrace the change. The future is bright, and AI is your gateway.